So, hello, I'm Charlotte, a third-year PhD student working at Vitesco Technologies, jointly with LAS CNRS as part of ANITI. Today, I'm presenting dealing with irregularly sampled and distorted data for anomaly detection of industrial robots. So my thesis is a diagnosis and predictive maintenance project where we study 6-axis industrial manipulators from Vitesco's plants. You have an example here. The robots have a repetitive behavior, and that's why the signals that are monitored through the internal sensors of the robots are cyclostationary time series. And we focus on movement data because we want to detect abnormal executions of the robot tasks. The challenge is that the sensors deliver irregularly sampled values and the signals are distorted because of the operation line's pace. So keeping in mind that the approach has to be frugal and a class box, how can we identify outliers from a set of irregular and distorted trajectories? Well, our work is based on the dynamic time warping algorithm because it's the best technique for comparing sequences that are distorted on the time axis. It maps the elements from the sequences non-linearly by finding an optimal warping path in the distance matrix. And we are also interested in other variants that are subsequence DTW. It's a pattern recognition algorithm, and soft DTW, which is a differentiable version of the DTW metric that can be used as a loss function in an optimization pipeline. And you see that in the architecture of the solution that we propose, sub-DTW is necessary to partition an input data set into a training set of trajectories that are fed into the soft DTW algorithm that produces a barycenter, a reference, that helps to label novel trajectories based on a score. And some results here show that this DTW score points out abnormal trajectories in black by comparison with the barycenter in red. So to conclude, our approach is an explainable framework that helps to detect abnormal executions of a robot. And the future work consists in developing our own GPU-based parallelization of soft DTW and to compare the results with a generative model. Thanks.
Questions for Charlotte? Yes. Yeah. Yes, so there is a question for you, Charlotte.
Did you publish the code?
You mean of my framework? No. I don't understand. I work for Vitesco Technologies. something that will be published is our GPU-based soft DTW through ANITI, thanks to the Onera lab. And this is very, very interesting. But you can use for this, we used libraries that you can find, but our framework is for ourselves.
Thank you, Charlotte. Okay, so let's thank Charlotte again for her nice talk.